So let's discuss first what is universal credit. Universal credit is a payment to help you with your living cost. It paid monthly or twice a month if you live in Scotland. You may be able to get it if you are on low income, out of work, or you cannot work. Now let's discuss what is the eligibility requirement for the UC. You may be able to get UC if you are on low income or need help with your living cost. You could be out of work, working including self employment or part time, unable to work, for example, if you have health conditions. To claim, you must be live in UK, you must be age 18 or over, be under state pension age, have 16,000 or less in money, savings, and investment. Now, let's discuss what you will get from the UC. You will get, if you are single and under 25, £292 11 pence. Remember, this keeps changing according to the UK government rules and regulation. If you are single and 25 or over, £368. These figures are all from 2023 August. If you live with your partner and you are both under 25, then you will get £458. If you live with your partner and either of you are a over 20 to 25-year old, then £578. For universal credit claim with kids, go online on www.gov.uk and check for the universal credit with kids. Now let's discuss how you are paid universal credit. Universal credit is paid once a month, usually into your bank account, building society, or credit union account. Your payment can include money for your rent or other housing cost. You will usually need to pay this to your landlord. If you are not able to open a bank, then in that case you need to phone Universal Credit Helpline to arrange a different way of getting paid. Now let's discuss when you will be paid first time. So your first payment usually takes around 5 weeks. If you need money while you wait for the first payment, you can apply for the loan advance. But remember, you have to pay that back. Now let's discuss how to claim universal credit. You can apply universal credit online. You need to create an account. You use it to make it a claim, and you must complete your claim within 28 days of creating your account. Otherwise, you have to do that again. If you live with your partner, you both need to create account. You will link them together when your claim will be started. The UC office will do that itself. They will link it together. If you cannot claim online, you can claim by phone through the Universal Credit Helpline. I will discuss that in the future. Now let's discuss how to apply. So you will go on www.gov.uk website. Only follow that website. Do not follow any other website because there are loads of scams going around. In that website, you will apply for the Universal Credit Online section and you will get this page. Now let's discuss what you need to apply for UC. So to apply online, you will need your bank details, your account details, your email address, your access to phone, any mobile number or landline. If you do not have these, you can call UC and or you can go to the job center as well, and they will be help to advise you. You will have to prove your identity, which is very important. For that, you need to have your driving license, your passport, birth certificate, or any debit card or credit card, and even a payslip or last P60. Universal Credit Helpline contact details are these. So if you phone on 0800 328 5644, they'll be able to help you in any case regarding the Universal Credit claim. If you have any questions regarding this video or Universal Credit how to claim, drop me an email or leave a comment in the comment section and I'll get back to you.